Today we're working at the Calvert Vineyard, one of the 3 vineyard sites that Felton Road look after. We're actually putting on the nets today in order to stop birds coming in and eating all of the crop. It's pretty hot work, and yeah, we're going through reel after reel of vine nets. On the quad bike we have Brett, who comes from the Willamette Valley in Oregon. So he's used to dealing with lots of great Pinot Noir. And we also have Thibaut, who comes from the Loire Valley in France. How's it going, boys?
It's grand, how about yourself?
Good, thanks.